We do it every single day. Tap a screen, scan a code, grab your coffee. Buying things online feels instantaneous, but scrolling through a digital catalog is simply browsing data. A transaction only becomes real when the payment officially settles. Handing someone physical cash is very easy. Moving digital money securely across the globe requires a precise sequence of encrypted handoffs between several different financial institutions, which brings us to the checkout screen. We're going to freeze time right here and stretch out those hidden 3 seconds of loading to see how money actually moves over the internet. This split-second pause is the window where a global network of servers verifies your identity and your account balance. At the frozen checkout screen, you choose your financial weapon. First, the traditional cards. You either use credit, which borrows funds to be repaid at the end of the billing cycle, or debit, which pulls money directly from your available bank balance. Over the years, card hardware evolved. Today's smart cards rely on embedded EMV chips that generate unique, unclonable cryptographic codes for every single purchase. Then you have digital alternatives like e-wallets. Apps like Amazon Pay or Paytm hold preloaded cash balances, allowing you to bypass entering card details entirely for a faster checkout. For recurring automated payments, like an insurance premium or a car loan EMI, you might use an e-check. This digitizes traditional paper mandates to pull funds on a set schedule via the ACH network. And on the bleeding edge, there's e-cash, like India's CBDC e-rupee. This is a digital currency issued by the central bank that lives in a wallet and can function without an internet connection. The checkout screen functions as a highly evolved interface, offering different financial technologies tailored for speed, credit extension, or automated scheduling. Once you hit Pay, your selection leaves your phone and is immediately intercepted by a payment gateway. This list includes major Indian payment gateways like Razorpay, PayU, and Cashfree. They do not hold your money. Instead, they take your transaction data and wrap it in a vault of SSL and TLS encryption. Looking at the key features listed here, you can see how these platforms manage massive volumes of UPI, cards, and wallet transactions simultaneously. They act as secure couriers, routing this encrypted package off the open web and into the closed banking system. The payment gateway serves as the armored transport of the internet, ensuring your sensitive financial data survives the journey across the digital frontier. From the gateway, the data is delivered to the major network clearinghouses. Historically, this space has been dominated by global networks like Visa and MasterCard. Recently, domestic networks like RuPay have taken center stage. Built specifically to mandate financial inclusion, they now process over 60% of local debit transactions in India. This brings us to electronic fund transfers, or EFTs. Instead of processing transactions in blocks, known as batch processing, modern commerce requires instant, real-time settlement. That requirement led to the Unified Payments Interface, or UPI. By using virtual payment addresses, the system allows for instant, 24/7 account-to-account money transfers, bypassing central clearinghouses altogether. You can see the physical manifestation of this digital network everywhere. Look at any retail counter, and you'll find QR codes replacing cash transactions on the spot. Finally, the journey reaches its destination. Your issuing bank receives the request, verifies your available funds, pings an OTP back to your phone for two-factor authentication, and approves the release of the money. This authorization layer converts a local digital request into an instantly verified ledger update. Time snaps back to normal speed. The 3 seconds are up. The loading wheel on your screen resolves into a green payment successful checkmark. That digital handshake has immediate real-world consequences. The merchant is guaranteed their revenue, and physical supply chains are triggered to pack and ship your box. Innovations like India's UPI have built a financial infrastructure that moves high-volume capital with incredible speed. A successful e-commerce transaction relies on a specific sequence of cryptography, gateways, and banking networks that turns a digital click into verified currency.